So I got a lot of cute tops from Meesho, all under 150 rupees, and you are not ready to miss it. So subscribe me before you watch the whole video and just see what amazing and cute tops did I just get. And do not forget to subscribe me for more videos like this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new here, hi, I'm Kimsey. So I am your beauty bestie who's always going to come up with new videos about honest reviews, makeup, fashion, skincare, blah 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 blah. So today is another Bango video which is about my Meesho finds. So I got a few tops under 150 rupees. So let's try it on. So I bought around 6 tops from Meesho and all are under 150 rupees. So obviously I recommend going for bigger brands, but I was in college, so I used to go to Sarojini a lot of times. मेरा budget 1500 रुपए होता था, and I used to get a lot of things. क्योंकि rather than going for a costly top, I preferred going for a lot of cheaper ones, जिससे मैं college रोज नए fashion के साथ जाऊँ. So मेरा perspective ये था कि get cheaper but it should look good. So I remember getting 50-100 रुपए के tops and I used to wear it every day. 1500 रुपए में मैं 30 दिन के नए कपड़े ले आती थी and मुझे repeat भी करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती थी. So that was my agenda. So I was like, why not find good tops on Meesho and do the same? Because in my city, I do not think I have a market as big as Sarojini. So that is not going to stop me at all. So let's start with the first top, because the tops that I got are extremely cute and like you can multi-wear it, you can style it in n numbers of ways. So if you want those videos, I can make another videos which is just about styling them, or maybe get more tops which are completely into budget. So let's start with the first. First top is a very cute red top. So this is the top. I am a size M. So this cutesy little top. The material is also very good. It's completely stretchable, by the way. You can see this, right? And I got it for 115 rupees. So I think मैं इसको कुछ टाइम तो पहन ही सकती हूँ, and there is nothing, absolutely nothing wrong with this one. So I love this for 115. Very good material. I love it. Another one is also a crop top, but it's a black crop top and it has a heart on it. So this is also a very good one. This is also a stretchable one. So absolutely cute. And I got this for 150. I think ये सबसे महंगा top है मेरा सब में से. So I absolutely like it, and this heart is just so cute. You can see that, right? Absolutely good. It is size M. You should go for it. You can comment down the links. I can add all the links for you so that you can buy it for yourself. So the other one is actually a slip top. It's a crop slip top. So this is the top. I know it's a very small one, but this is the top. And I got this for 110 rupees. This is also size M, but you can style it in n numbers of ways. So I like wearing these kind of crop tops under very loose and baggy shirts. So I think you know how to style it. If you want, I can especially make a video with this one so that I can tell you n numbers of ways to style it, because this is absolutely cute and this is also stretchable. Why am I showing you like this? But yeah, it's stretchable. So it's good. It's good. Let's go to the other one. Next one is again a black top. It's a absolutely cute top. So it's a black crop top, and this is how, oh, it's so cute. But I absolutely love it. There are two bands which gets tied in the behind, like back पे होता है. बहुत cute है ये. And I actually love styling those. Iska bhi I can make another video, like a short one, which is about styling these. क्योंकि I think this is going to be a very cute crop top, and ये बहुत ज़्यादा sarees पे style हो सकता है. So this is my way of doing it. So I'll be styling it with a sari. Um, I can go with a grey sari. Amazing. So this top is for 130 rupees, and this bag बहुत cute है इसकी. So I think you should go for it. It's very cute. Next one. So the next one is a beach top. It's a full sleeve top. This is how it is. It's again size M. I like the material, though I do not like this color much. But I got this for 140 rupees. So I was thinking like, I do not want to miss on this. So I will just wear it in winters maybe, because it's an absolute catch. I love this. The material is soft. It's very cute. It's very good fitting. I love it. And it's for 140. I don't think I can get a good material like this in 140, so I'm not going to miss it. So yeah, this one, I love it. So the last one that I got from Meesho was again the color of the last one that I showed you. So I got this in lavender shade as well. So एक से बोले दो. So I got this one as well in lavender shade. I love this one. ये तो fitting was just amazing. I love it. ये उससे cheaper भी मिला है मुझे for some reason. ये 130 का मिला मुझे, which is again undeniably good price, and you can easily like style it a lot of ways. So this is my last one. I like it. The fitting is so good, so good. So that was all the tops I got from Meesho. That was 6 right now, and if you want, I can buy more, which I already do, and I can make more videos about it, and I can like make a very detailed one about how to style a few more, because obviously wearing is not styling. So obviously to make sure that you are coming up with creative ways so that you can style them as well. So these were all the 6 tops that I bought from Meesho, and all are under 150 rupees. And mind you, I think that all these are a catch. So that was it, and I have made another video which is again not from Meesho but Savannah. So if you guys want, you can go on my channel and check out the other haul which was from Savannah. And that's about it. That was my Meesho finds under 150 rupees, and all the tops were amazingly good. So you guys can comment down below if you want links, if you want more suggestions, if you want to know how to style them. I'll absolutely do it. If you guys really like the content, why don't you subscribe me, because there are more Meesho hauls that are coming your way. So I didn't only buy tops, I bought a lot of dresses, a lot of bottom wear, and some home finds as well. So I got some very cute little decor for my house. So if you want, I can make a video on those as well. So that's it. That's my time. And subscribe me before you leave if you want to see more Meesho finds, and if you want more recommendations on what to buy at what rate. And until next time, do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.